State boards should cancel exams, says Akhilesh Yadav. UP government to seek COVID report from district magistrates before final decision. Rajasthan cancels class 10 and 12 state board exams. Board exams cancellation won't have much impact on JNU and Jamia admissions. Deciding on fair evaluation criteria for CBSE Class 12 students is a challenge, say experts. BCI sets up panel to decide exam method for law students. Punjab teachers complete campaign Rabta, contact parents of over 12 lakh primary children via phone. After cancellation of CBSE Class 12 exams, Karnataka to decide on second PU soon. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You are watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav on Wednesday said that state boards should also cancel examinations like those of the CBSE. His remarks came a day after the government decided to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams amid the continuing COVID-19 pandemic, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi announcing that the decision has been taken in the interest of students and the anxiety among students, parents and teachers must be put to an end. In a tweet, Yadav said, "Finally, the BJP government had to bow down to the pressure of the examinees' parents, and they had to take the decision to cancel the CBSE Class 12 exams. Now, on this basis, the examinations of other boards and state boards should also be cancelled. No examination without vaccination," he added. The UP government will seek detailed reports from all district magistrates on the COVID-19 situation in their respective districts before taking a final decision on UP Board Class 12 intermediate examinations. After assessing the report by DMs, the decision will be taken in a meeting with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, said Deputy Chief Minister Dinesh Sharma, a day after CBSE and CISCE boards announced to cancel their Class 12 exams. Once we get elaborate report from district magistrates, we will be able to assess the situation better and take a call on UP Board Intermediate Class 12 exam. It will take 2 to 3 days to take any final decision, Sharma said. The CBSE has a concept of mid-term examinations, so they have an advantage to bank on the marks obtained by students. We don't have this mid-term exam, he added. The Rajasthan government on Wednesday announced the cancellation of Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by the state board this year in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. This follows after the central government announced cancelling the CBSE Class 12 board exams. According to the statement issued by the state government, the decision was made during a meeting of the State Council of Ministers that was chaired by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Medical experts have warned that children may be more prone to infection in a possible third wave of COVID-19. In such a situation, it has been decided to cancel the examinations of classes 10 and 12 conducted by the Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education, the statement said. The cancellation of the board exams will not have much of an impact on JNU, Jamia Millia Islamia and the IP University, since they conduct entrance tests, while the Delhi University and the Ambedkar University will wait for the CBSE criteria to carry out merit-based admissions. The government on Tuesday decided to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserting that the decision was taken in the interest of students and that the anxiety among the students, parents and teachers must be put to an end. The CISCE also decided to cancel the Class 12 board examinations this year in view of the COVID-19 situation, according to its Secretary Gary Arathun. Delhi University's acting Vice Chancellor PC Joshi said the discussions will be held with the admission committee and the academic council of the university to finalize the process of admission to the undergraduate courses. Nearly 98% of the applicants to the DU are CBSE students. Several education experts and stakeholders believe the bigger challenge for the CBSE now is upcoming with fair evaluation criteria for Class 12 students whose exams have been cancelled and demanded that the policy is notified soon. The experts hailed the decision to cancel the board exams, which were earlier postponed in view of the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Given the current situation, it is the right decision to cancel the CBSE board exams. There is no way we could have held exams without compromising the safety of the children. While we welcome the decision, we hope the modalities would be worked out quickly in consultation with stakeholders, they said. Since class marks are important factors that affect students' careers, we expect CBSE to ensure students don't get affected with the methodology of awarding marks, said Praveen Raju, co-chair FICCI Arise, a collegium of stakeholders aimed at promoting quality education. In a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday, it was decided that the CBSE will take steps to compile the results of Class 12 students as per a well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. The Bar Council of India has constituted a high-level expert committee to decide the method of examination and evaluation for LLB students in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The apex bar body said the committee was formed in view of requests of several students from across the country, including 273 from the Faculty of Law, Delhi University. The BCI, which is also the regulator of legal education in the country, said it has resolved to constitute a 12-member expert committee to be chaired by Justice Govind Mathur, former Chief Justice, Allahabad High Court. The students of several centers of legal education, including 273 students of Faculty of Law (DU), had sent emails with the request that the LLB intermediate semester examination and promotion should be held as per UGC guidelines through a composite scheme, that is 50% marks from the internal assessment and 50% marks from previous performance, the BCI said in a press release issued on Wednesday. Announcing that government school teachers in Punjab have successfully completed Rabda Muhim, School Education Secretary Krishan Kumar said that in the week-long campaign organized from May 24th to 31st, a record number of 12.71 lakh parents of primary students were contacted. The campaign was aimed to facilitate the contact between parents and teachers via phone. The main objective was to discuss about education, health, and how to prevent children from being infected with COVID, he said. All officers, teachers, and other staff members were engaged to inform the parents about online education, the activities being carried out by the Education Department under Ghar Baithe Shiksha, about the TV class schedule, facilities being provided by government schools, moral education, and welcome life subject, he said. Parents were sensitized with the help of social media before launching the campaign. Just after the Central Board of Secondary Education cancelled off year's Class 12 board examinations on Tuesday, the Karnataka government has clarified a decision on how and whether to conduct second-year pre-university exams will be taken soon. A suitable decision will be taken soon considering the situation in the state, also in the interest of the students' health and future, Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar said. The minister is likely to meet education and health experts apart from other stakeholders in the coming days. We will conduct exams in sync with the duration of CBSE Class 12 exams. The pattern will be decided by the state after CBSE announces its mode of exams, said an official on Tuesday, hours before the cancellation of the CBSE exams was announced. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.